Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can bypass Midjourney subscription account. Okay, you can get a free Midjourney account. So I know like you guys might be like facing some of these challenges when you try to like use Midjourney to like turn your picture to AI generated picture, right? Okay, so in this video I'm going to walk you through on how you can bypass everything right now. Okay, first thing first, you need to like open your Discord, go to setting, see the setting right now, go to user setting, you log out your old account, log out your account. You need to log out your account first. So log out your account. Okay, so I'm going to drop this link in my description down below so that you can get access to this website for you to create a new Gmail or a new mail that you can use to like sign up to your Discord account with Midjourney. Okay, so I'm going to like use this name, it's a crypto, click on next. Password, I'm going to create a password right now. Next, okay, you need to like verify the captcha. Okay, so you need to verify that we are not a bot, so they only use this to prevent our bot from registering multiple accounts. Okay, so still loading. Let's just wait. Let me refresh right now, or let me refresh. Okay, so I'm going to click on sign up. Let's see, crypto. Next. Okay, oh sorry, there's a mistake somewhere there. Oh shit, now done. Okay, recapture. Okay, so you drag this down. Next, successful. Now creating your account, securing your account. Display name, yeah. Phone number, no, you don't need phone number. You click on later. You don't set a recovery method. Confirm, just confirm like that. You don't need to put any of your number there. Okay, just go straight to the point where we head into. Don't sign in with your Gmail account. Okay, so you just have to like leave it this way. Click on get started. So you're going to like copy this your username right now, copy the email to clipboard. You're going to like copy the email from there. So then you go back to your Discord, you click on, you paste the Gmail username, let's see, crypto, password. Okay, this doesn't mean I just like leave that alone. Let me so I'm just selecting this just like random age. Okay, just random age. Wait, are you human? Okay, let's set the recapture right now. Please click each image containing a gross. Okay, so this what else? Nothing else. Again, click on verify. You don't need to save. Okay, let me save the password. Create your first Discord server. Create my own. Join server. Back. Okay, I just click on. Let me cancel the name. Topic skip. The server is ready. Take me to my server. Okay, so once you get to this side, you're going to like, you don't need this server, you don't need it. So you're going to like please check your mail and follow the instruction to verify your account, because you need to verify our account. Okay, so first of all, before you verify your account, let's search for Midjourney. Join our community. Hey everyone, we're starting off this hour. Come by and say okay, get started. So this is Midjourney. Then you are okay. So after this, you're going to like go back to Proton to verify your email. Welcome to Discord. Click on verify. Scroll down. Sorry, let me look for the okay. Yes, let me look for the verify one. Verify email. Yeah, confirm. Don't ask this again. Confirm. To bring out like my account has been verified successfully right now. So then we can continue from there. Continue, email verify, continue to Discord. Okay, so we're going back to explore, discovery, then you click on Midjourney account. Okay, still loading. Get started. Got it. Okay, this is it right now. Okay, so so this is where we are heading to right now. So if you want to like start customizing, click on. Once you join the community and you join the channel, you're going to like see newcomer room and newcomer room 2. I think I will advise you choose between these two, this newcomer 12 and newcomer 72. Okay, so this is where you're going to like do everything you need to like to achieve. Okay, so thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for supporting me. Stay tuned for the next video.